Have you ever wondered how an elephant's life begins? The journey to life for these magnificent creatures is a long one, as the gestation period for elephants is an astounding 22 months, the longest of any land animal on our planet. Inside the mother, a new life forms, preparing to enter a world of giants. When the time comes, the birth process is a communal event. The mother elephant is surrounded by other females in the herd, a testament to the strong social bonds they share. This support network is not just emotional. These aunties play a crucial role in protecting the mother and the newborn from potential threats. Once the baby elephant, or calf, enters the world, it is immediately cared for by its mother and the rest of the herd. These early moments of nurturing and protection are pivotal, setting the foundation for the complex social structures that will dominate the elephant's life. From the moment they are born, elephants are nurtured and protected, setting the foundation for their complex social structures. So, what does a growing elephant eat to fuel its massive size? Well, elephants are herbivores, meaning they feed exclusively on plant-based foods. From lush grasses underfoot to the sweetest fruits in the treetops, an elephant's meal is as diverse as the landscapes they inhabit. In fact, these gentle giants have a preference for bamboo, bark, and a variety of leaves. Their large, strong teeth are designed to crush and break down fibrous plant material, making digestion easier. Now here's an impressive fact. An adult elephant can consume up to 300 pounds of food in a single day. That's like eating over 1,000 apples in one sitting. It's a tremendous amount, but necessary to sustain their colossal size and high energy demands. So, whether they're stripping bark off a tree or plucking fruits from high branches, elephants are well equipped for their plant-heavy diet. An elephant's diet is a testament to their adaptability, allowing them to thrive in various environments. Despite their massive size, elephants do have enemies. But who dares to challenge these giants? Well, it's not always about physical strength, sometimes it's about the cunning and audacity. Predators of elephants are indeed few, but they are significant. The primary predators of elephants are humans, who hunt them for their ivory tusks, and at times, for their meat. This practice, known as poaching, has become a severe threat to the elephant population. Habitat loss is another significant challenge posed by human activities, as deforestation and urbanization shrink the natural habitats of these gentle giants. In the wild, large carnivores like lions may also pose a threat, particularly to young or weak elephants. However, these instances are relatively rare due to the protective nature of elephant herds and the formidable size of a fully grown elephant. Despite their strength and size, elephants face serious threats, primarily from humans. It's a harsh reality that underscores the importance of conservation efforts to ensure the survival of these majestic creatures. Elephants live long lives, but exactly how long, and how many offspring can they have in a lifetime? Let's dive into the details. In the wild, elephants can live to be as old as 60 to 70 years, while in captivity, their lifespan is often reduced, typically ranging from 40 to 50 years. This discrepancy is mainly due to the stress of captivity and lack of natural enrichment. Moving on to reproduction. Female elephants or cows begin to reproduce at around the age of 13 and continue until about 50. The gestation period for elephants is the longest in the animal kingdom, lasting a staggering 22 months. Typically, a cow will give birth to a single calf every 4 to 5 years, which means over a lifetime, a female elephant may have approximately 7 offspring. With longevity and a slow reproduction rate, each elephant's life is vital to the survival of the species. From the hot savannas to the cold forests, elephants have made their homes in some of the world's harshest environments. These magnificent creatures have mastered the art of adaptability. In Africa's scorching heat, elephants use their large ears as fans, radiating heat away to keep cool. In Asia's cooler forests, their smaller ears reduce heat loss, keeping them warm. Their distribution is as remarkable as their adaptability. Elephants roam across 37 African countries and 13 Asian ones, each population having its own unique characteristics. The smallest elephant, the Borneo pygmy, weighs a modest 500 pounds, while the largest, the African bush elephant, can weigh up to 14,000 pounds. Their massive size, though awe-inspiring, can also lead to destructive behavior, especially when they venture into human settlements in search of food. Elephants are a testament to nature's resilience and adaptability, living as symbols of strength and wisdom in our world.